To create a custom symbol, select My Symbol Library from the top ribbon. This opens a symbol build mode. Within symbol build mode, existing symbols can be modified, and new symbols can be created. Existing connection points are acknowledged, and users can also insert new connection points. Select Save Symbol from the top ribbon menu to save the new symbol to a local library. This will then be accessed to insert the new symbol into the drawing. After saving the symbol, exit Symbol Build mode and insert from My Symbol Library.